Hi and welcome to this Fabricville sewing tutorial. My name is Madeleine and today we are making patch pockets. This pocket is sewed on the right side of the garment. It can have various shapes with angles or curved corners. This is the pattern of a patch pocket. We had the shape of the pocket with the top of the hem and the seam allowances on the edges. Once the piece is cut out, the first step will be to make the top hem. I fold the top of the pocket on the right side and stitch the lateral edges. Then I snip out the corners, put back on the right side before stitching the top hem. Then I will flatten with an iron the edges to the wrong side. If the pocket has curved corners, it's best to use a card template and put it in the pocket before ironing to help fold the curves. I will now mark the position of the pocket on the right side of the garment and pin the pocket to the right place. Then I can head stitch the pocket or slip stitch it onto the garment. And here are our patch pockets. I made these with the Fabricville printed double gauze. You will find the link to this project on the description below. Enjoy sewing and thanks for watching!